Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So right now in this video, I want to present about my portfolio from LinkedIn. So here, this is my LinkedIn. As you can see here, there is my picture and then my school, and then this is my school, and then there is a description about me. I'm as a junior network engineer and holding around 4 certification international. There is MTCNA, McRotic Certified Network Association, and then second is MTCRA, McRotic Certified Routing Engineer, and then the third is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Association, and then the fourth is RCNA, WIGI Certified Network Association here. I live in Kota Bekasi in West Java, Indonesia. So I have around 377 followers, and then I have around 346 connections on my LinkedIn. So here I'm still open to work for my internship or working after my graduate from IDN boarding school. So yeah, we move to the next is about me. All right. This is me. Hello. I am 10-11 grade student at the vocational school majoring in networking with a keen interest in networking and in IT infrastructure. I have basic experience configuring McRotic and Cisco device, understanding networking fundamentals, and understand about routing protocols also. And I'm actively engaged in virtual practice such as configuring like OSPF, AGRP, VLANs, and others. Sometimes I use on Cisco Packet Tracers application. This helps me hone my skills and learn more about networking environment. Uh, I'm currently seeking an internship opportunity at an IT company at 12 grades, specifically one focus on networking and infrastructure to develop my technical skill and gain industry experience for my working preparation after graduate from 12th grade. So here my post in LinkedIn here. My post LinkedIn here. The first we move to the first. My first posting is when I'm teaching at SMK Dewantara in Cikarang. It's a little bit lagging. Wait. Oh. Okay, so here this is my first posting on LinkedIn. Is about my me being a trainee or SMK Dewantara here. Me with my friends Said and then Hafuza and then Albi. We're teaching here for around 3 days in SMK Dewantara. In here we teach about McRotic and then networking fundamental here. So here there is so many students that participate in here. Attention to us when we're explaining in front of him about network fundamental and then about microtics also. So yeah, in here me with Albi in TKJ 2 class and then Said with Hafuza in TKJ first class in SMK Dewantara in Cikarang. All right, we move to the next is my CCNA certificate, Cisco Certified Network Association. Alhamdulillah, I got this Cisco Certified Network Association last year in 2025 in June. In June, me and Adit we are together going to TriNet in SCBD in Jakarta, and then first time I'm come uh, to the company that is TriNet for me to exam to get CCNA. The first I get a little bit nervous, but alhamdulillah I get the CCNA I get the CCNA because my hard work and then my focus to learning more about Cisco Certified Network Association like that. So we move here to the next is my teaching again as training. So this is my special school, my special teaching experience because I was teaching at Malaysia at Cafe Sepang. Me and my friends Hapuza from Jonggol, uh, we're going to Malaysia and then we going to College Vocational Sepang School. So here, uh, me around four. This is my friends. Is from Pamijahan and now is already 12th grade. Is already internship right now. Me with this Laskar and then this forgot I forgot name. Sorry. Uh, we're explaining about microtik and then we explaining about network fundamental also. So why I'm explaining about Microtik because his material on his school is only about Cisco. He don't know about Microtik, so I try to explaining about Microtik, like history and then the production of Microtik and then the device that he have from Microtik and then of even uh, even I explaining who the founder of Microtik. Yes, there is two guys. There is Arnie Stratkin and John Trolley as a founder of Microtik. And also, I'm not teaching in the same grade, but I was teaching at Diploma 4 student from College Vocational Sepang here. So next is my RCNA certification here. Uh, I get this when I'm holiday in home. So I try to exam RCNA and Alhamdulillah I get this RCNA certification for free in his website. So we move to the next is also my teaching experience again in here. I get invited by council from SMK Islamic Village School in Tangerang. The council student was invited me and Zofran to teaching about networking when the school was doing uh, MPLS session. Yes, me and Jofran were together explaining to the 10th grade student in here in the lab of SMK Islamic Village School in Tangerang here. I'm so appreciate to council student in SMK Islamic Village Tangerang to invite me and Jofran and then give trusted to me and Jofran for teaching when MPLS session about networking. So here we move to the my last posting is my CV here. I also posting my CV for uh, my internship preparation. I also this is will be uh, what yeah maybe the higher day will be see my CV in the posting when he come to the my LinkedIn and then feel seeing my uh, CV here to give me offering for internship or working after graduate from 12th grade. All right, it's done in posting session. So we move to the next is experience. Me experience just only student in IDM boarding school from junior high school until right now senior high school, and then education of course in IDM boarding school. And right now I'm still 11th grade in major network engineer. We move to the next session is my license or certification that I held from junior high school until right now. Of course, there is so many, but maybe because so here we're already on license or certification part. So in here I have network fundamental from Aguna course here. This is like you're learning about network fundamental on Aguna course, namely, if you want to try, just searching on Google Aguna course. So I move to the next is this is me. This is my certification from Coursera about Canva, like design like that. Is from Coursera, and next is from DQLab. When I'm try to learning and or introduction about uh, data science with Python. Of course, I try to learning about Python to adding to increase my skill, to adding my skill about Python like automation in network engineer in network environment. Of course, we need automation for making good system. And next is my RCNA certification here, and then my CCNA certification. I also uploaded on my LinkedIn here. And next is my MTCRA certification. It's a little bit more. Okay, it's okay because lagging. I just okay. This is my MTCNA certification, and also I try to introduction to networks from NetAcad or from Cisco Academy. All right, all right. It's done from license certification part. So we move to the next is my skills. I just only add two skill here, but exactly I have so many, but I just only posted two skills that is about networking and then servers. So we move to the next is my interest section here. So in companies, I have exactly I have so many company here, but let's see. There is so many uh, what interest my interesting companies like Kyokuni and then FNE, and there is so many here as you can see here. What uh, company that I interest want to join as a team of networking engineer in that companies. Yes. So yeah, that's all. And then the school, of course, I have uh, my dream university in Hungary is University of Debrecen here, but maybe it just only uh, nightmare or plan like that. I'm not very preparation about this. Yeah, cause I want to working after I'm graduate, working while during university on IDN boarding school like that. So yeah, so that's all about my LinkedIn or my portfolio here. So maybe you guys interest to me to inviting me to being a part of your team. I so very welcome to you to people who watching my video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.